In this challenging world, do you often feel afraid and uneasy? Perhaps you once missed an important opportunity because you were afraid of failure. When we fall into the quagmire of fear, the road ahead seems to become out of reach. However, true success comes from a fearless mentality, which allows us to face all challenges bravely, no matter how insurmountable they seem. The power of the soul is the foundation for us to succeed. When we learn to establish a fearless mentality, success will naturally follow. Are you ready for this transformation? Fearless mentality is the cornerstone of our success in life. When we face challenges, inner fear often hinders us from moving forward. However, fear is not the pressure exerted on us by the outside world, but a kind of self-limitation in our hearts. When we let go of our inner fears and choose to face difficulties with a calm and wise mentality, we will find that we have infinite potential. Establishing a fearless mentality not only allows us to deal with challenges calmly, but also allows us to find real confidence and strength in this process, so as to move towards success. The inner strong and fearless source of strength, the real fearlessness is not the external toughness, but the inner calm and firmness. When we learn how to calm down the inner turmoil through the guidance of Buddhist wisdom, the fear will naturally dissipate. This powerful inner power can help us stay sober and decisive in the face of various challenges in life. Whether it is the pressure at work or the difficulties in life, when we face it with a fearless mentality, they will become insignificant. Everyone has had moments when they are enveloped in fear. Whether facing unknown challenges or past traumas, these fears often make us feel powerless. However, Buddhist wisdom tells us that fear is not insurmountable. When we choose to face fear bravely instead of avoiding, we can find our true strength in the process. Bravely break through self-limitation and regain inner confidence, which is not only the starting point of our success, but also the first step towards happiness and satisfaction. Every experience of overcoming fear is an important milestone in our inner growth and makes us stronger in future challenges. Success is often not achieved overnight, but through continuous efforts and inner cultivation. When we face all kinds of challenges in life with a fearless mind, we will find that many seemingly insurmountable difficulties are actually just inner obstacles. When we learn to let go of our fears and focus on our current efforts, we can walk more smoothly on the road to success. This fearless mentality can make us no longer shrink in the face of difficulties, but meet challenges with a positive attitude, so as to approach the other side of success step by step. Fear often comes from our inner turbulence and uneasiness, and a calm mind is the key to curing fear. When we learn how to keep our hearts calm in the face of difficulties, we can look at problems from a more rational perspective and find solutions. This kind of inner peace can not only help us resolve our current fears, but also keep us stable and confident in the face of future challenges. When our hearts are full of peace and strength, fear will be invisible and eventually healed and surpassed by us. Buddhist wisdom emphasizes the power of compassion, which can not only help others, but also heal our own inner pain. When we learn to treat ourselves with compassion and accept our past mistakes and fears, we can release our inner pressure and pain. This kind of compassion can help us find the power of healing in the face of inner trauma. When we embrace ourselves with compassion, our hearts will become stronger, so that in the challenges of the future, we can move forward without fear and finally reach the other side of success.